Hello everyone, this is Take. This time I would like to introduce Oyakodon, one of a popular dish in Japan. The title is Find the Roots of Oyakodon.
Oh, it's exciting.
Oyakodon is a dish in which chicken, onion, and other ingredients are cooked in dashi, Japanese soup stock, and seasonings mixed with an egg and topped on rice. It is commonly eaten at home in Japan and one of my favorite rice bowl too. But who came up with this bowl of rice? According to the website of MAF, Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries, Oyakodon is a local dish of Tokyo and has its root in tamahide. In this YouTube, I'd like to share the roots based on some research and then, as a part 2, try to make a super speedy Oyakodon. Please enjoy to the end. First of all, what was the history of eating eggs in Japan? According to the Tales of Good and Evil Spirits in Japan, written in 1822 during the Heian period, eggs were not supposed to be eaten because they were believed to be inhabited by the spirit of the hen who told the time. When castella and other products which contain eggs were introduced from Portugal in the 18th centuries, eggs were also used in cooking. Then in 1785, a cookery book was published called The Secret Box of All Treasures Dishes, which included 103 types of egg dishes in Japan. See the link to the book in the description. There is a surprisingly wide variety of egg dishes. From the end of the Edo period to Meiji era, 1603 to 1912, egg bowls and Oyakodon bowls appeared. At that time, the nutritional value of egg was emphasized, and it was customary to send eggs to sick or pregnant women as a token by sympathy. According to Tamahide Restaurant, which was founded in 1760, around 1887 there was a guest who ordered the last dish consisting of meat and Japanese soup stock with an egg and rice as the end of sukiyaki of chicken. In 1891, Toku-san, the wife of Hideyoshi Yamada, the fifth generation owner of Tamahide, served this Oyakodon as a dish of boiled chicken and vegetables with dashi over rice to make it easier to eat. Meanwhile, in Kansai, Uchimoto Matsujiro, owner of the Osaka Ryotei Torikiku, invented a dish very similar to Oyakodon at the request of Iwashita Kyoshu, president of the Kitahama Bank, at the 5th National Industrial Exhibition held in Osaka in 1903, the first step towards the World Exhibition in Japan. It was a stew of chicken, hakusai, and spring onions in dashi soup, boiled with an egg and served on rice. As of 2025, Tamahide is under renovation and will reopen this summer. Oyakodon for a takeaway has been sold next to Ningyocho subway station before the reopening of the restaurant. Part 2. Super easy Oyakodon using tinned yakitori. This time I will use tinned yakitori chicken for shortening the time. It tastes better than expected. Make the wari-shita, Japanese soup stock. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin and Japanese sake to 150 ml of soup dashi stock. and the onions to the dashi pot. Meanwhile, harvest the mitsuba leaves from the garden. Add the tinned chicken yakitori and bring to the boil. When onions are softened, add eggs, stir and turn off heat. The egg will set in the remaining heat. Add the mitsuba leaves and serve. The texture of charcoal grilled thinned yakitori is a little tough, but savory aroma of the charcoal grill is addictive. Wow! If you like, you can add nori seaweed or shichimi radish to change the flavor and make it more enjoyable. It is very easy to make, so please enjoy the bowl. Thank you very much for watching. If you like, please subscribe this YouTube. The big mistake this time. The plant I picked was not a mitsuba, but a celery leaf. Oh no! I found out after eating it. Taste is not so good.